Hi, this is Elena. I'm a blogger, I'm a writer, and I am researching history and lots of other things. I'm a traveler. And for my blog, I purchased a new microphone. This one. This is Yeti Blue premium multi-pattern USB microphone. And this is how it looks like. And I'll just open the box and make it work, and hopefully you'll tell me how much it affected the sound. Right now I'm just filming without microphone with my telephone, but most of I would film with my computer and my headset microphone. So let's see how this works. So apparently it's opened from the side. I didn't know. And this is how it looks like. Inside there is a cord and some sort of a manuals, and this is the microphone itself. Let's see. So that's pretty much it. The box is empty. Let's make it work. So I'm gonna test two microphones today. One of them is the microphone I used quite a few times on this channel. It's my headset, and another one would be this Yeti microphone, and we will see what is better. And just to not repeat the same kind of text, I decided I'll read you a little piece of my short story from my website, and it is some of the stories from the series Lina McGregor mysteries, and like the one I'm gonna read you today. My book unfortunately just in Russian so far, so only 5 stories in here translated into English. And the one of them we're gonna read today called Curling Princesses. Curling, as you know, is a very popular sport in Canada and many other countries, and started to be popular in Russia as well. And the story dedicated to some amazing curlers: Louis Mullard, Charlotte Trainer, Louis Kinden, Sharon York, and Barbara Sullivan. I'll start to read it with one microphone and then I'll continue with another. Age is a loose concept. It is like an elastic band. In my school years, the girls at recess stretched it between themselves and skipped rope with it. Residents of different countries have different attitudes towards age. Russian employers, for example, dream of 20-year-old employees with an academic degree and 10 years of professional experience. In their opinion, all those over 30 should just crawl to the cemetery and die there. And now I'm gonna continue with different microphone. The rest of the Russians believe that a woman has only 3 ages: a baby, a girl, and then young woman, young woman, young woman. I don't know about the age of the man. Who cares about men's age anyway? In Canada, the mother of a friend of mine surfs and climbs mountains. The lady is over 90. It feels like there is no such a thing as age in North America at all. Most of all, I'm inspired by our hometown curling princesses. Young ladies in their 80s and over, especially those who crushed our team to smithereens at the previous tournament. It hurts me that one of them is no longer with us. There is one consolation though. Curling princesses don't die. They go to play in higher level clubs to stay young forever. This story I wrote on a writing marathon, and unfortunately more than one lady I dedicated it to. Basically all of them moved to the higher levels of clubs, and they are staying young forever. Thank you for your attention, and thanks for your help to decide which microphone is better. I hope the new one. And please let me know in the comments. I will publish them only with a little bit of a delay, because that way at least I know I responded to them. And Rude comments wouldn't be published, of course, but the rest of them I will publish. Thank you very much for your help, your attention, and your support. See you soon.